Hello, sweet friends, and welcome back to Pink Turtle Studio. So I know it's been a really long time. I've been super busy trying to get used to college classes, and I apologize for not communicating that with y'all. That's something that I really want to be better about in the future as I take this more seriously. So I hope y'all will forgive me. But I also wanted to address a few new changes. First, I did get contacts. I did away with my glasses that I've had for a very long time, and I'm so glad I did because it's so refreshing to not have to be pushing them up all the time. And it will also be better with y'all as I'm filming because I won't have a ton of reflections on them. So I'm really excited about that. I did also cut my hair. You can't tell now, but I will get it cut a little bit shorter, so you'll get to see that soon. And then I also invested in some microphones. Obviously, they're not the best quality ones. They're just what I could afford for now, so hopefully the audio will be a little bit better for you guys, but I do plan to invest in better ones in the future. So with that all being said, this vlog is going to be a little bit different than my normal ones as it's not super art focused or my business focused. It's going to be a Christmas and holiday vlog. So in this vlog, I'm going to be taking y'all along with me to Christmastown Busch Gardens, spending time with my uncle, as well as doing some artsy things like making cards for family members and then other gifts. So hope y'all will enjoy this little vlog. I just wanted to share with y'all since it's been a while, so without further ado, let's get into it. I wanted to start off the vlog with a quick little tour of all the Christmas decorations I have for my studio this year. If y'all haven't watched my most recent studio makeover vlog, please feel free to, because this is my first vlog in my new space. So if y'all would like to see kind of how all this came together, please feel free to. Also, please pardon the lighting as it's really overcast today, and also the rack of clothes. But I wanted to start off with my little Christmas tree, which is right here. It's multicolored lights and it's really cute. I have some cute pink ornaments on it, so I'll also put a video of it lit up in here, and also some other clips of it when it's better lighting than right now. Second, over here I just have some really cute little snowflake things hanging from my window. All of my decorations are from the dollar store except for my tree. Up here and basically on like all of the shelves and higher surfaces, I got this cute little candy cane garland. Up on here I have some little bottle brush trees that are pink ombre, which I thought were perfect, and a little Santa hat. Like I mentioned before, I also have the little garland up here on top of this shelf, as well as some other little lighting up trees. They do tend to get glitter everywhere, but they're really cute. And then over here on my little photo grid, I have some more, another garland. I also have a little garland on top of this mirror, as well as on my little art shelves over here. So yeah, that's basically the Christmas decoration tour. I didn't do a ton this year, but it was really fun what I did do. Hi love, so I just wanted to do a quick little haul of the goodies that I got for friends and family for Christmas. I don't know about y'all, but I really like to see what other people gift each other just because I understand how fun it is to find the perfect gift for someone, so I hope y'all enjoy this. I'll keep it short though. First off is my friend Elise, who owns the Kawaii Bakery, where she makes the cutest polymer clay frogs. Y'all have probably heard me talk about this so much, but I love her, she's so talented. But she's fun to buy gifts for because we have very similar tastes. So for her, I got her this Glinda Funko Pop from the Wicked movie. We went to see this together, so I knew she would definitely like this. Next up, I have this cute little checkerboard frame I'm going to draw on top of some photos of us and put this in here. Next up is this pancake candle. This is from Home Goods. I love it. It smells so good, and she will definitely like it, especially with the checkerboard. I think this would look really cute in her room. And then lastly is this keychain. I got this on Etsy. I'll put the name of the shop on the screen, but we both love the Barbie movie, so I thought this would be perfect. Next up is my sweet friend from high school, and I decided to get her this little chicken warmie. If you don't know what a warmie is, it's basically like a weighted stuffed animal that you can heat up in the microwave and use as a heating pad, but they smell like lavender and they're so soft and cuddly, so I thought this would be perfect because she loves chickens and has some of her own, and I just thought it would be fun and cuddly. And then actually just today I got her some really yummy smelling body scrub and then some lotion to go with it. And then for my parents, I got my dad this hat from one of his favorite YouTubers. It was really fun to order from his website, and then I also got him a devotional. For my mom, I got her gifts from a local art shop near us, and first I got these earrings made by a local artist, and then I also got this really cute crocheted granny square bag. I just thought the colors were really pretty and it would look nice in her room. I also got some candy and other snacks for people, but I wasn't going to show y'all that, so I'm going to wrap all of these in this vlog and then also make some homemade cards for everyone as well. So today is Saturday, December 21st, and I celebrated my birthday this past Tuesday and then went to my grandma's house, so it's been a pretty busy week, and I haven't gotten to do a lot of Christmas duties, but that is the plan for today. I wanted to start out by showing y'all the final products of the cards I worked on for my friends. So here's the first one. This is the Wicked themed one for my friend Elise. I wanted to go with the scene where Glinda tells Elphaba that pink goes good with green, so I decided to do that as a little quote on the front, and then I did kind of like a line art version of the picture, and then the inside says, "Like you go good with me," and then it has her name and happy birthday. And then for the envelope for this one, I decided to do her name in the Wicked font, or kind of my interpretation of it, and then I did some more little scrapbook paper elements, so that was really fun. For my second card, I decided to go with a Pride and Prejudice theme since this friend and I love Pride and Prejudice. If you don't know what that is, it's a Jane Austen book and we love watching the movies together. This is the cover, and I'll put a picture of the scene I was trying to capture, but this is of Darcy and Elizabeth when they're looking at each other at this ball that they go to. And then this is the inside. It says, "On your birthday, I hope you are completely and perfectly and incandescently happy," which is a quote from the movie. I found this online, I didn't come up with it though. And then the envelope for this one is definitely my favorite one. I just did her name, and then on the back I have some more gold washi tape. So
she couldn't even spell it. Snow and the bird trees in it. Forget it. Come on. I don't think snow. Yeah.
Mr. Wallace, how can we ever thank you?
Can you see in the joint? Yeah, this is cozy. Boy and girl.
Columbia Inn, Pine Tree, Vermont.
Good. Remember, strictly off the record. Here's the big strike.
Let me read you a story.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120,
I didn't film an outro for this vlog, but I just wanted to go ahead and thank y'all so much for watching. It truly means the world to me, and I hope you enjoyed it. I also hope y'all had a wonderful holiday season as well. I'm not sure when I'll be back with another video as I'm still getting used to college, but I'll definitely keep y'all posted on what's going on. Love y'all!